Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth on and is updated, because the system needs recent firmware to pair reliably. Once ready, press the stainless steel back of the AirTag and twist to remove the battery cover, then press the battery down until you hear a sound. That sound confirms the AirTag reset. Keep the AirTag within 1 to 2 meters of your iPhone while you go to the next step to ensure a stable Bluetooth handshake. You open the Find My app and tap items, then choose Add New Item. This triggers the iPhone to scan for nearby AirTags. Follow the on-screen prompts to name the AirTag and confirm it's linked to your Apple ID, because ownership ties it to your account and enables lost mode. If the prompt doesn't appear, make sure Bluetooth is on, move the AirTag closer, and restart your iPhone. This resolves most mid-process scanning or discovery issues and lets the pairing continue. You finish by confirming the AirTag appears in Find My with a location and battery indicator, which proves a successful connection. Once done, test it. Play a sound or enable lost mode to ensure remote functions work. These actions validate both Bluetooth and network handoffs. If problems persist, remove the AirTag from your account in Find My, physically reset it again, and repeat pairing. One key tip: toggle your iPhone's Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.